Hi guys, I'm Zhonghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Today on ZaTaYaYummy, I'm going to show you guys how to make blackcurrant cake. And to begin, we have to make the sponge cake, and to do so, let's make our egg yolk mixture. In a clean bowl, you want to add in all of the ingredients for the egg yolk batter except for the dry ingredients. Add in blackcurrant concentrate. Here I have some blackcurrant freeze-dried powder, milk powder, sugar, water and oil, blackcurrant jam, and egg yolks. Make sure to beat it well on high speed for about a minute or two until it's volumized and thickens. Next, add all of the dry ingredients together into the mixture, which consists of plain flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. We want to mix them until just combine. Set the egg yolk mixture aside, and right now, let's beat our egg white mixture. And to do that, it's really easy. In a clean bowl, you want to add in your egg whites and some vinegar. You can use cream of tartar if you want, but I don't have that in my house, and vinegar is the next thing to go. Beat it on high speed until it's frothy. Once it's frothy, you can start adding your caster sugar gradually at a time. Beat on high speed until it turns into a stiff cake. Once it turns into a stiff cake, right, you want to add a third of the meringue into the egg yolk mixture and blend it well. Once it's nicely well combined, you want to add everything back into the meringue bowl. Use a whisk and slowly fold it in. I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to take my removable cake pan, which is about 6 inch. You want it to be removable, ungreased, because we are making a sponge cake. And we're going to add the mixture into the pan right now. Okay, bake it in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. So my cake have cooked overnight. What I did was, I took it out of the oven after 45 minutes of baking and let it cool upside down. This is to prevent the cake from shrinking. And now let's make the yogurt cream. And to do that, right, it's actually very simple. I'm going to take my whipping cream, right, from the fridge, because you want your whipping cream to be really cold when you are whipping it up before I start adding the other ingredients. So I'm going to take that right now. So in a bowl, right, add in your whipping cream, caster sugar, sieve in some blackcurrant powder. I want to sieve the blackcurrant powder because it's a little bit lumpy. And some blackcurrant concentrate. So before we start whipping, right, I have some gelatin with some water. So I'm going to sprinkle on top of the water. And then I'm going to let it saturate and put it in the microwave for about 5 to 10 seconds to heat it up. While the gelatin mixture is cooling, let's whip our whipped cream. Once your cream has thickened up nicely, right, you want to add in your cooled gelatin mixture and also some yogurt. Now the cream has been nicely whipped up, and now let's invert the cake. And to do that, it's actually very simple. All you need to do is to use a paring knife and run around the edges to remove it. And because it's removable, right, all you need to do is to remove it from the pan and then carefully remove the base. Take a finishing plate to plate it up. Pipe the cream onto the cooked cake. Decorate with fresh berries, mint leaves, and white chocolate buttons. And this is how you make my blackcurrant cake. For the full recipe, make sure to check out www.thezhonghan.com. Follow me on my Instagram at ZaTaYaYummy and make sure to hit that subscribe button. I see you guys soon. Bye!